Laminar airflow refers to a smooth, continuous flow of air with minimal turbulence. This type of airflow is crucial in environments where contamination control is critical, such as laboratories, clean rooms, and operating theaters. A laminar flow hood, also known as a clean bench, is a device designed to provide a sterile environment for working with sensitive samples or equipment. In microbiology and cell culture, it prevents contamination of cultures, media, and samples, ensuring reliable results in research and diagnostics. For pharmaceutical compounding, it ensures sterile preparation of medications and for solutions. In tissue culture, it maintains sterile conditions for growing cells and tissues. It also prevents contamination in medical device manufacturing and protects sensitive components in electronics and precision manufacturing. In food testing labs, it prepares samples without introducing contaminants. The operation begins with air intake, where air is drawn through a pre-filter to remove large particles. Then, in the filtration stage, air passes through a HEPA or ULPA filter, removing 99.99% of particles. This creates laminar flow, where filtered air flows uniformly in one direction at a controlled velocity. This airflow provides work area protection by creating a barrier against external contaminants. Some hoods maintain positive pressure to prevent outside air entry. And finally, the air is exhausted back into the room or vented outside.